Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word levity. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Despite the serious subject matter, the speaker's levity brought a sense of humor to the discussion. Levity refers to humor or lightness in speech or behavior, especially in a serious or somber situation, to bring a sense of lightheartedness or playfulness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.